Okay, let me show you and try to help with making the grass and the texture of grass. One of the way what I do is like that, making like grass leaves, and you can further make like that, here and there with the tips. This is one of the ways I do a grass, but of course you can do like that. That's the corner of the grass where the grass starts. For example, you can have a road here with stones and with a, you know, where the car is going. Then you can further continue again like that, simulating grass leaves. And when you color this, you can see the effect somehow. Let me see. Yeah, you see well on the camera. Other thing is when I'm drawing my lawns for my landscape. For example, I have a forest, and here there is some kind of a lawn. I just make like that, simulating the grass texture, just with simple dots randomly throughout the area. And again on the edge you can do like that. Something like this. And when you color it, it looks like a lawn, like a grass lawn. So here you are. These are the ways that I used to make grass. Of course, if you have more questions, I would love to help and show you different ways with other textures that I might know and I might be able to help with. So please comment again if this was helpful for you, and I hope I can be of help to helping you draw better. Keep going, don't ever give up.